Congratulations, Coach Ronald. Kahit mo ng effort yung Titan, yung locals nyo ang nagparamdam tonight, paano mo nakitang nagbuhay yung pinagtrabahuan nyo during the break, especially looking at the development of GOG since last conference?
Di ba nalugano kasi trying to adjust kasi yung players so like Wami na si Wami si Chris na makadjust sa team so medyo as coaches mga coaches medyo nakulangan kami kasi hindi kumbaga opportunity na yun na walang import so kailangan yung laro hindi dapat ganun so back to zero ulit yung namin yung video kung mali kailangan ni Perth.
Thank you, Coach Ronald. We're now opening the floor to the media.
Hi, good evening, Coach. Coach, I think for the second time this conference, for the second time this season actually, you're starting off with a win. Gano'n pa confidence mo yun. Thank you.
Well, it's still, nag-go pa rin yung team still improving, especially in same offensive defense. So, too early to kailangan every day they practice, need to compete para magalang sa games, need to compete.
Congratulations. Yung 19 and 23 mo are career-wise daw. After itong Commissioner's Cup mo, you got your feet wet, anong goals mo yung Governor's Cup for individually and siyempre, team-wise?
Ako naman po, siyempre, hindi po natin, nawala po kami mga players, so, yung mentality naman po is just yung step up lang, and today po ako lang po yung nakapag-step up, pero any given day naman po yung mga teammates ko po, like, kaya mo po yung step up. So, ano naman po ito like, today, araw ko lang po siguro, tapos siguro na araw, teammates ko naman po yun.
Anong biggest takeaway mo nung last conference na dadali mo for this Governor's Cup?
Siguro po, kailangan ko lang po maging patient at saka magtiwala na po siguro sa sarili. Siguro sila ko na po araw-araw mo sinasabihan na magtiwala na po sa sarili ko at saka mag-discount na po talaga. So yun na po siguro.
What's your assessment sa import mo? 25-16 po na yun?
What you have the double-double pa rin. So, double-double naman. So, I think we need more sa import natin. So, mapipigatan naman. Siguro, medyo bago lang. And hindi pa siya ganun sa base ng game na gusto namin. So, same like Wami and Chris na nag-adjust pa. So, hopefully by couple of games, makikita natin yun.
First kung si Wami na, tapak din sa therapy, Wami si adjusting, siya ba uling same Wami nung dati dito sa therapy?
Pero Wami is still Wami. In practice, I know Wami is still Wami is. Kaya si Wami. Pero siguro iba yung style of play namin before when he was here. Sa nilaro namin yung system yun, offensive defense. So, still trying to adjust. Even Chris, even the import.
Jaya, ano lang yung adjustment mo habang Jerry Kahan-Misi nung first conference mo ngayon naman si Juan?
Yung si Kuya po, like, tinulungan rin mo po kami, leader po talaga siya. So, malaking tulong na punta po sa team namin at siyempre kami puro mga bata rin po kami. So, yung leadership po nila po yung malaking tulong po sa amin. Especially ako, big ako so, yung base style po niya malaking tulong yun sa akin para sa akin. So, yun.
Importante, go pag-reflect of seeing yung kalaban mo. Same the class mo, thoughts mo lang dun sa match na yun.
I think magandang nangyari kasi yung pace ng laro, alas same. So, we'll see kung sino nakakauna. Nakapag-adjust to yung katato ng excited na rin. Nakakita ko si Coach Jimmy kasi nakasama ko pa si Coach Jimmy sa San Miguel. Tama pala.
Okay. That, thank you, Coach Ron.